Hello, good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the presentation of annual report to Parliament. The undersigned is directed to refer to the above noted OMS listing out of the procedure to be followed about line of a national reports before the Parliament, and it has been decided to issue a consolidated guidelines on the subject, merging all these three OMS into one. Number one, the, the central public sector operating under a corporate form of management consists of industrial and commercial undertakings, which are under the control of various administrative ministries, departments, parliamentary committees on papers laid on the table of the House have examined the issues relating to the papers laid on the table of the House, such as delay in laying of papers, compliance of the statutory provisions of laying papers, etc. The following recommendations of the committee are listed for compliance. Number one, the administrative ministries who are responsible for laying reports of central PSEs under their control before Parliament are required to exercise greater vigilance and devise suitable procedure to ensure that such reports and accounts are laid before Parliament within the stipulated period of time. The stipulated period of 9 months of the close of the accounting year. Annual report and audited accounts should be presented to Parliament together to enable the House to have a complete picture of the working of the PSU. The meeting of the Board of Directors, Trustees need to be held in time to ensure the aforesaid compliance. Number two, with a view to have uniformity and also to avoid delays in laying of reports and accounts, every CPSU should complete its accounts within a period of 3 months after the close of the accounting year and make them available for auditing. Replies to audit objections, if any, should be attended to on priority, and thereafter transactions and printing of report should be completed so that reports and audited accounts are laid before the Parliament within 9 months after the close of the accounting year. Now, okay, girls.